one of China's most significant cities, and at one point in history, the largest city in the world. A beautiful modern city with an ugly history. This is Nanjing. Today, Nanjing has developed into a major cultural, arts, and education hub of China. Despite being a metropolis of more than 10 million people, life moves at a more leisurely pace in Nanjing than it would in other major cities in China. With its compelling contrast of ancient pagodas and sparkling skyscrapers, Nanjing's feet are proudly planted in both its past and its future. Nanjing is a megacity of manufacturing with a strong traditional industrial foundation and booming new industries. Hexi New District of Nanjing City occupies a land area of approximately 168,000 square meters. It is composed of three 48-story office towers. This is the Nanjing Zende Himalaya Center building. The multi-use development has an overall building area of approximately 560,000 square meters, comprised of commercial, hotel, office, and residential programs. Nanjing International Youth Cultural Center, comprising of 2 towers built within a 7-year period. A cultural center with conference facilities, an urban plaza, office and mixed-use areas. The development initially provided accommodation for the 2014 Youth Olympic Games, rising from a bustling intersection within the city's CBD. This 89-story triangular super tall skyscraper is the tallest building in the city and the 7th tallest building in the world. Zifeng Tower completed in 2010 with over 5 years of construction. It comprises of retail, office space, hotel, and numerous restaurants, and a public observatory on the 72nd floor. Today, Nanjing is a comprehensive transportation hub, spanning aviation, shipping, rail, road, and pipelines. It is an important gateway in China's Yangtze River Delta to develop a central and western regions of the country. Nanjing has flourished to become a contemporary trendy city with world-famous architects designing everything from community and convention centers to museum, towers, exhibition halls, and train stations. The Nanjing Massacre Memorial Hall was constructed in 1985 on the original site of one of the massacre's burial grounds, marking undoubtedly the darkest chapter in the city's history. Its historical documents were inscribed into the UNESCO World Heritage Memory of the World Register in 2015. The Nanjing Yangtze River Bridge was completed in 1968. Today, Nanjing has another modern-day hero, the Angel of Nanjing, volunteer Chen Si, helping more than 400 people step back from the brink of death. The bridge spanning over the Yangtze River is believed to be the scene of the most suicides in the world. Nanjing at night is truly magical. China's cities of heroes lights up the skies. The restaurant, bars, and theaters awaken to entertain all visitors. While today this is a prosperous, vibrant city, in a sense, the entire city of Nanjing is a memorial to the massacre and a tribute to the survivors in the face of unimaginable tragedy. Nanjing is committed to build an international city based on the principles of peace, spreading harmony from China to the world. In 2017, Nanjing officially became the 169th International Peace City.